The OS80FM is an easy-to-use, medium, full-motion mount. Perfect for 32 to 50-inch TVs up to 80 pounds. It offers swivel, pan, tilt, and leveling for maximum viewing flexibility. The OS80FM has a low 2.9-inch mounting profile and is VESA compliant up to 400 by 400. It offers post-installation leveling of the mount and integrated cable management to guide wires. Plus, it comes with a manual, complete hardware kit, and adapters to make installation easy. Here's how. To start, locate and attach the VESA plate, with adapters if needed, to the back of your TV, and place the TV aside. Choose the location where you want to mount your TV and use a stud finder to mark the wall stud locations. Once marked, center and level the wall plate on the wall and mark your pilot holes. Remove the wall plate, drill holes, install the wall plate, and double check for level before tightening. Hang the TV on the mount using our exclusive, hassle-free lift and lock feature and secure it to the wall plate. Your TV is now securely mounted on the wall. The OS80FM from OmniMount. We support the technology that brings your home to life.